Hey there, Gladiators, Kenny here. I'm going to go through a short little video on how we install and mark up a corner flashing on standing seam. Here we go. What I've got here is I've put this sheet here to see where it is we need to measure from, and where we need to measure from is that point on the sheet right there in the corner. So if we take a measurement from there to the outside line of this batten here where the sheet's going to wrap around to, and then add 3 millimeters for tolerance. So putting that on the measurement there, Peyton's got that, and it comes out to that line there, and it's essentially, let's have a look there, it is 195, 196, so we'll make that 198, and we'll put that measurement on our corner sheet. So we've got 198. Now we'll go to the other end of the sheet, and do the same thing, put 198. Right, take that away. Now what we want to do is we want to put that mark there on the other side of the sheet. So we need to square that up. If we can get a square. What you're putting now is about a 50mm mark coming down. Approximately, that's about right, yep. Then you'll go and do that on the other end. Perfect, right. All right, so what we're doing here now is an external fold. So I'm going to write external fold. And I'm going to draw on here exactly what it is. So we have our over there, across like that to our under, which is a male. So that's the male, this is the female, and this we're going to tell them that we want that to be a 92-degree bend. Reason we want that to be a 92-degree bend is that when we put it onto the corner, it'll put pressure on it so that it doesn't oil can. So that's how that there. So that's the external fold. That's what it needs to look at. Color is on this side. That's as simple as that. Now we'll take that down to our fabricators. Go up on me. Now we'll take that to our fabricators, and we'll show you what it looks like when we're done. Before we put it on, what we actually have to do is pull this, just that little edge back, all the way up. Peyton, I'll get you to jump in. You go through and pull all that plastic off there.
Oh, just rip it up.
All right, so here we go. We're going to be putting this in. Just slide that up.
This side's raised a little bit.
That's all right, as long as the gap's sitting up a tiny bit. Very good, there we go. It's over beautifully.
On here?
Yep. Go. And there you go. All right, there is one of those fancy corners and the way that you go from start to finish to get it installed. See you next time.